Imagine waking up in June and discovering that summer had disappeared. Snow was falling, crops were dying, and temperatures were suddenly far colder than anyone expected.
In 1816, parts of Europe and North America experienced an extraordinary summer. Frost damaged crops, heavy rain continued, and snow fell in places where people expected warm weather.
But the cause wasn't in Europe or America. Thousands of miles away, something enormous had happened. In April 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia erupted with extraordinary force.
The eruption sent huge amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide high into the atmosphere, tiny particles that reflected some sunlight back into space, helping cool parts of the northern hemisphere.
And the consequences reached ordinary people. Crops failed in many places, food became harder to find and more expensive. For families already living close to the edge, a failed harvest could mean hunger.
Across parts of the northern hemisphere, 1816 became a year of strange weather and hardship. It wasn't literally winter, as summer conditions were so unusual that the year became known as the year without a summer.
A group of writers staying near Lake Geneva were forced indoors by the unusually stormy weather. They challenged each other to write frightening stories.
One of those frightening stories would eventually become Frankenstein, one of the most famous novels in literary history. A summer that never seemed to arrive helped inspire a story that would last for centuries.